Are you happy? I used to ask this question my mom every time we were on the phone. She would never answer, and then she would talk about her usual stuff. And then I started to ask my friends, are you happy? And the answers I got went from, I'm okay, to good, to, why would you ask me that? I am asking if you are happy because I want to know if you are really, really, truly happy. You know, Mother Teresa once said that when we think of poverty, we think that being hungry, naked, or homeless, that's the poverty. But being unwanted, unloved, and uncared for, that's the real poverty. Not by others, but being unloved by ourselves. That's real poverty. You know, the most important person in the whole world for us to love and cherish is ourselves. And yet, every day when we look in the mirror, we don't even notice. We are not aware of the person looking back at us. And if we are aware of that face, we only focus on the imperfections, dark circles under eyes, crooked teeth, missing eyebrows, enlarged pores. So what do? We do whatever we can to fix that, to mask that. We put makeup on, we sigh, and off we go with our day. So today I want to challenge you. Today, when you look in the mirror, I want you to make a connection with that face that's looking back at you. Look into those eyes deeply. What do you see? Do you see love? Do you see a soft gaze? Or do you see hurt? Do you see sadness? Do you see a stone cold wall? Make connection to that person, to that face, and say, I love you. I cherish you. You are worth it. So what if you have crooked teeth or enlarged pores? So what? I love you just the way you are. And then feel the reaction. The person in the mirror, is it accepting these beautiful words? Is there resentment? What do you feel? What do you feel when you hear the words, I love you? Do you think like, oh, how can you love me? Or do you say, thank you, I love you too? Have a wonderful day, everybody.